Hi there, it's Suzanne here, and I just wanted to share the assembly instructions for these sweet little Adirondack chairs. And if you're Canadian, they might be Muskoka chairs. They're really easy to do, and they make such cute little decorations. So here we go with the pieces all cut out. And this is the Adirondack, great for the 4th of July, and it folds flat so you can mail it or you can keep it for next year. So let's look at these pieces. This is the main piece. And then this one is the backing, and it's the legs for the back of the chair. We don't need it right now. There's the arms, and there's the little maple leaf, and it's a star if you're doing the Adirondack chair. So there are some perforated score lines in this, and they all need to be folded. But none of the score lines go right across the whole chair. It's safest to finger fold these score lines at first. So just work your way around the chair. And here's the score line between the back and the seat. Don't forget that one. Keep working on them, and then you'll get to the point where you can fold them right down and burnish them with a bone folder. And there it is. You could actually leave it just like it is because it's super cute. But I've given you this backing with some legs for the back of the chair. So all you need to do for that is add some adhesive. Don't add the adhesive on the legs of the chair. And you can just put it together, layer it together like that. And sometimes it needs a bit of persuasion to sit upright, but you'll get it. And the last steps is to take the arms and add those with some adhesive to the arms of the chair. And add the maple leaf to the back. Or if you're doing the 4th of July Adirondack chair, add the star. Very cute, and it's all done. Ta-da! And again, it folds flat. And you can put the two side by side, and you have wonderful company. I hope you have lots of fun making these little chairs. You can make a whole bunch of them, and they would be so cute. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.